How to block someone sending email on Gmail. It's a very straightforward and easy process. So if you want to block someone, if someone is sending you an email and you don't want to see those emails and you want to block it, how you can do that? You just need to open that email. I'm just giving an example. And here at the top right corner, here on the email where you see the email address from that sender, just click on the three dots and here you will find block. Currently this will not show you block because this is not the sender. I'll just give an example of another email. Let's say this is the test mail, and if you do not want emails from this, you can simply click on three dots and here you can simply click on block. Here you will find an option to block that email, and next time it will not come to your inbox. Please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully blocked the email.